Hello students of Standard 9. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same chapter, Reach for Top Part 2. But today we will read about Maria Sharapova. Maria Sharapova's story of success as she became the top-seeded women tennis player in the world motivates us. She overcame all the hurdles and bore humiliations too in order to achieve her dream. Maria's hunger for success and her competitive spirits kept her going. Let us study in detail regarding Maria Sharapova. Dear students, in this lesson you will come across many new words. Here are their meaning. Disarming means likable, at odds with, in conflict with, poised, calm, elegant. Pinnacle, the most successful point. Sophisticated, fashionable, at odds with, in disagreement with. Fizzy, erratic, pigeon-holed, classified category. Unwavering, steady or firm. Grudge, opposed mind. Now let us see the journey of Maria Sharapova in detail. There is some quality in contrast to Maria Sharapova's smile and glamour, which makes her likable. It is this quality that helped her achieve success as she attained world number 1 position in women's tennis on Monday, 22nd August 2005. Maria's calmness and elegance is beyond her age. She was born in Siberia, Russia, and as a teenager, she took only 4 years of training to become the top-seeded women tennis player. The fast growth of her career started 9 years ago when she made a big sacrifice, which can be made by very few children of that young age. She had not even turned 10 when she was sent to Florida, USA with her father for training in tennis. She was extremely sad as she had to spend 2 years separation from her mother Yelena. Maria's mother was forced to stay back in Siberia because she did not have the permit to travel to US. At the tender age of 9, Maria learned that in order to excel at tennis, she would have to make many sacrifices. Maria recollects that she used to remain alone and missed her mother a lot. Her father worked hard to fetch money for her needs and so he also could not meet her. Maria was very young and so she would go at sleep at 8 p.m. The students would return at 11 and would wake up her, ordering her to clean the room. Maria did not get depressed by all this. Instead, she became determined and mentally tough. She took care of herself. She never thought of leaving the training because she was determined to achieve her aim. When a person has nothing, he craves and becomes determined to get it. She says that she would have borne greater humiliation and insults also in order to achieve her dream. Maria retains her determination till present day. This determination led her to grab the women's single trophy at Wimbledon Championship in 2004, followed by the rapid climb to the top position in 2005. Tennis fans feel emotional to know about Maria's journey from the frozen region of Siberia, but she is not moved by it. She gives straight answers when questioned about her aims, which imply that she accepts that the hurdles and challenges she faced were worth the result that she got. She adds that she is competitive and worked hard as she considered it to be a part of her work. This is Maria's secret of success. Maria's speech has an American accent, but she is proud to be a Russian. She says that USA is a big part of her life because she trained there, but in the core of her heart, She is a Russian. She holds the citizenship of Russia. Her ancestors are Russians and she is willing to represent Russia at Olympics too. Like other teenagers her age, Maria's favorite pastimes are fashion, singing, and dancing. She likes to read novels written by Arthur Conan Doyle, the creator of Sherlock Holmes. She likes to wear fashionable evening gowns. Looking at her fit body, it is unbelievable that she likes to eat pancakes with chocolate spread drinks aerated orange flavored drinks. Maria cannot be put into a particular category. Her talent, urge to succeed, and sacrificing nature helped her reach the top position in women's tennis. No one will oppose the benefits that she is getting now because she made many sacrifices to get there. She says that money does motivate her to work hard. Tennis is both a sport and business, but the most important aspect for her was to reach the top spot in women's tennis. It was this dream that kept her working further. Let us quickly recapitulate what we studied today. This write-up is about Maria Sharapova, who inspires us to remain determined and make sacrifices in order to fulfill our dreams. On 22nd August 2005, Maria became the top-seeded player in the World Women's Tennis Player Ranking. She made great sacrifices to achieve her goal. At the tender age of 9, she left her home in Siberia, Russia to get training in tennis. She went to Florida in USA with her father. Maria suffered a painful separation from her mother for a period of 2 years. She could not see her father too as he remained busy working, arranging funds for all her needs. She was bullied by her seniors, and being a foreigner, she had to suffer all that patiently. Maria did not feel depressed, rather, she was prepared for greater insults too in order to achieve her aim. Her mantra for success is to work hard and face the toughest competition. Although she was trained in the USA, she considers herself to be a Russian and is willing to represent Russia at the Olympics too. Her favorite hobbies are fashion, singing, and dancing. Her, she loves reading novels written by Arthur Conan Doyle. Her love for fashionable evening gowns is in contrast to her liking for pancakes with chocolate spread and orange flavored aerated drinks. The monetary gains and the fame incurred by Maria are well deserved. Dear students, based on our today's session, here is a short assignment for you. Have a nice day. Thank you.